Welcome to Module 2, AI powered personal brand. In this lesson, you will learn how to make your online profile look professional and powerful in just a few minutes with the help of AI. Think of your personal brand like your digital handshake. When someone searches your name or sees your profile, that's their first impression. And you know, first impression is the last impression. And in today's world, AI can help you make that first impression amazing. Step 1. Why your personal brand matters. People connect with you only if they trust and like what they see. If your LinkedIn profile, resume, or bio looks empty or boring, people may ignore you. But if it clearly shows who you are, what you do, and how you help others, people want to know more. The good news is, AI tools can quickly polish your words, improve your bio, and make you look confident and professional, even if writing is not your strength. Step 2. How AI can upgrade your profile. Let me give you a few simple examples. Headline. Instead of just writing software engineer, AI can rewrite it as AI-driven software engineer, helping business build smart applications. Summary about section. If you give AI 3-4 points about your skills, it can create a short, friendly, and professional summary. Tagline or elevator pitch. AI can prepare a one-line pitch like helping professionals build smarter connections with AI tools. See how it adds clarity and value in just seconds. Step 3. One-line message trick. Here is a secret. People remember simple, short lines. Use AI to write a one-line message about yourself that you can use everywhere, on LinkedIn, email signatures, or even at events. For example, I help people grow their network with AI strategies, or I turn data into clear decisions for business growth. This one-line message becomes your identity. It's easy to say and easy to remember. Action step. Here is what I want you to do right now. Open ChatGPT or any AI writing tool and type, write a LinkedIn headline and 3 sentences summary for your role or industry professional who wants to grow their network. Copy the best version, edit it slightly, sound like you, and paste it into your profile. In less than 15 minutes, you will have a stronger personal brand online. So remember, your personal brand is your digital handshake. AI can help you write better headlines, summaries, and one-liners so you look confident, professional, and approachable. In the next module, we will see how AI can actually help you find the right people to connect with. That's where your personal brand will start working for you.